How to check a phone's age. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, what you need is the IMEI number of the phone or the device. So simply go to settings, and all you need to do as you launch the settings is to tap on about phone and get your IMEI number. So as you get the IMEI number, simply go and launch any browser that you have. Here I am going for Google Chrome, and as you launch the Google Chrome, simply tap on the search bar at the top of the screen. Now simply search for IMEI checker, and as you search for it, you will be able to see different options pop up. So simply select on the option of IMEI number checker. So let's tap on it, and what you simply need to do is enter your IMEI number over here. So let's just put it over here that I've copied. Then tap on check IMEI. So as you do that, what you can simply do is it will give us various information at the bottom. So just wait for a while and make sure you have stable Wi-Fi connection on your device. So if you do not have a stable Wi-Fi connection, you can simply switch to a cellular data as well. So now you have to wait for a few more seconds until it loads the information about this particular IMEI number. So let's wait and let's see if it gives us the information, and with proper connection this can definitely give us the information about activation date and so on. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.